Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to file taxes in TurboTax step by step. Begin by signing into TurboTax and selecting the tax year you want to file, then choose the guided interview for a simpler walkthrough. Have your personal details, social security numbers, and income documents ready. Work through income, deductions, and credit sections one at a time. Save progress often and review each summary screen before continuing to filing options. Start entering all sources of income starting with W-2s, and then add any 1099 forms you received. Carefully type employer and payer details exactly as shown on each document to avoid errors. TurboTax will prompt for business expenses if you report self-employment income, so have receipts and mileage ready. Double-check totals and carryovers from prior years if applicable, and move on to deductions when income entry is complete. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They last through long audit seasons and long walks to the mail. I find them comfy while organizing receipts and running numbers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Compare the standard deduction with itemized deductions by entering mortgage interest, state taxes, and charitable gifts, so TurboTax can calculate which is bigger. Add education credits, child tax credits, and retirement saver credits where eligible to lower your tax bill. Include deductible expenses like student loan interest and health savings account contributions. Review the deductions summary and ensure you have documentation available in case of IRS questions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.